Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked.com. And of course, I'm not naked in the kitchen, but I am bringing you a very, very naked recipe today, and one that is awesome that you can bring to parties and that you could have for yourself. Okay, so what we have here, very simply, we're using the food processor so we can chop up our stuff and mix it all together. And we have an amazing array of healthy things going into our salsa. We have yellow tomatoes and red tomatoes, cilantro, onions, garlic, and mushrooms. And then we have our kidney beans because it is a kidney bean dip. So what we're going to do is mix our veggies all together and get them kind of minced up nicely, and then we'll add our beans at the end. So we're just going to dump the whole thing into our food processor. It's all going to get mixed together anyway. Gorgeous! And now we're going to add in our beans and just pulse just a little bit. We don't want to get them too mushy. And there you have it. Gorgeous, gorgeous salsa to serve on the side of any grilled chicken, grilled fish, or in a tortilla. So of course it's nice to serve it in a really pretty dish. It's all about your eyes as well as your mouth when you're eating. You want to see like gorgeousness coming to the table. And then you have all those colors in a nice, beautiful dish, and you're ready to serve. I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com with my kidney salsa dip. Now your kidney salsa dip. Really easy to make, delicious, and really good for you. Ciao for now, while I go chow on this.